Tax law. Definition: tax law. Tax is mandatory contribution to the state owned by individual or bodies. The mandatory based on the law without receiving direct compensation and is used the state net for the great prosperity of the people. Types of tax. A. Subjective tax. Definition: a subjective tax is a tax was imposition takes into account the personal circumstance or condition of the taxpayer, such as citizenship, status, domicile, and then amount of income or dependents in the family. In other words, this tax is based on the subject, personnel, or entity, not solely on the object being taxed. Characteristic of subject tax: when consider the taxpayer economic capacity, and then 2. Calculate based on the income after deduction certain expenses, and then 3. Tax imposition can every even the taxable objective is the same as it dependent on the condition of the taxpayer. Example: subject tax, individual income tax, and then PPH, because it takes into account the number of dependents in the family, material status, and net income. Types of tax. 2. Objective tax. Definition: objective tax is a tax whose imposition only concerns the taxable object, without considering the taxpayer or their economic condition. The means this tax is calculated purely based on the value or equity of the taxable object, such as the sale value of goods, the transaction amount, or the area of land. Characteristic of object tax: 1. Does not take into account the taxpayer personal circumstances, and then 2. The tax amount dependent on the value or volume of the object, and then 3. Apply affirmation to all taxpayers who own one the same object. Example of objective tax: value added tax (VAT), imposed based on the sale value of goods and service. Land and building tax (PBB), imposed based on the area and value the land building. Stamp duty, based on the transaction value stand in the document. Types of tax based on nature, and then indirect or direct. Indirect tax imposed on taxpayer when carrying out certain activities, such as tax on the sale of luxury goods, and then direct tax that are collection prodigal from taxpayer based on tax assessment letter, such as income tax and land and building tax. Types of tax based on collecting agency. State tax collected by the central government through related agencies, such as the Director General of Customs and Excise and the Director General of Tax and the Tax Inspection Office. And then 2. Regional tax. Tax conclude the local government, such as hotel tax, entertainment tax, and business tax. Element of tax. 1. Tax subjective: a person or entity that is subject to tax as regulation by law. And then 2. Taxpayer: a person or entity that has obligations, such as obtaining taxpayer identification number and PWP. Calculating the amount of tax. and depositing text into the stationery. And then 3. Text objective or goods that are subject to tax such as cars, house, and so on.